and we were sitting in the stands, like behind the sight screen. And Pez and I, Elise Perry and I were sitting there, and this guy wandered over to us, this young Indian guy, and said hello. He didn't introduce himself. He said, hello, how are you? And he said, I'm the next big thing in Indian cricket. And Elise and I just sort of laughed it off. And we were 17 or something at the time. And we were like, yeah, funny. It was Virat Kohli.
Nestled in the hustle and bustle of West Delhi is a locality called Uttam Nagar. And on 5th November 1988, their famous resident was born. Prem and Saroj Kohli were blessed with a baby boy. Vikas and Bhavna had a new toy, their brother, who was named Virat.
He was a very determined and dedicated sort of boy, who was willing to really work hard, wanted to learn cricket and wanted to dominate from day one,
Delhi managed to draw against Karnataka in a Ranji Trophy elite group match today, and the credit for it goes to a teenager who set an extraordinary example on Tuesday. 18-year-old Virat Kohli, playing only in his first Ranji Trophy season, scored a valuable 90 runs after losing his father earlier in the day.
Virat Kohli, captain, right-hand middle order batsman, right-arm quick bowler, and my favorite cricketer is Herschel Gibbs.
I remember telling my brother specifically that I am going to play for my country, and I am going to play this game at the highest level, and there's nothing else in life that can distract me anymore. Because it was my father's vision as well. He wanted me to play at the highest level, and he was really keen on me playing at the highest level as well. So I remember making that promise to my brother, and then everything in life became second priority after that incident, and cricket was the first priority.
And it is all on.
Winning moments for Virat Kohli.
In 2008 IPL auction, franchisees were asked to pick under 19 players by draft system. Kohli was sold for the base price $30,000 and he will play for Royal Challengers Bangalore.
मेरी मदर थे घर पे, तो मेरी मदर ने मुझे बताया, तो मुझे लगा कि ऐसे ही मजाक कर रही हैं, उनको कहीं दिख गया होगा. लेकिन फिर पीछे से ऐसे फोन आया, कंफर्मेशन आया, तो मुझे समझ नहीं आया मैं कैसे रिएक्ट करूं.
Super timing is good through the leg side. What a shot. The first target for Virat Kohli in one-day internationals. And it's a cricket innings under pressure.
Every time that I look in the mirror,
most of you say you want to be successful, but you don't want it bad. You just kind of want it. You don't want it badder than you want to party. You don't want it as much as you want to be cool. Most of you don't want success as much as you want to sleep.
Ran by like dust to dawn. Isn't that the way? Everybody's got the dues in life to pay.
Watch Sachin Kaji and all the Indian players play on TV, and when they failed to chase the target, I used to go to bed believing that if I was there, I would do it. And I was 8-9 years old.
Half my life's in books, written pages. Live and learn from fools and from sages. You know it's true.
वो 35 रन मुझे हमेशा याद रहेंगे क्योंकि 90 रन की पार्टनरशिप उस स्टेज पे लोगों को रियलाइज नहीं था क्योंकि लोग यूजुअली माइलस्टोन्स की तरफ फोकस करते हैं.
As you'd expect, he's fired up. That's a terrific cut, his first in Test match.
And a young Turk comes out to the centre. Number 18.
India lift the World Cup. After 28 years, the parties start in the dressing room.
Well, he's carried the burden of the nation for 21 years, so it's time we carried him on our shoulders.
And India now winners of the ICC Champions Trophy 2013. Without scoring a half century in the semi-final. How important was his fourth century today?
The timelines of my debut, August 2008, the timeline of her starting her first film shooting was 2008 August.
Virat Kohli, known worldwide as the best batsman in the world.
I've been a part of the side since 2008, so pretty special feeling for me that I was a youngster initially, who just wanted to do well, and now I'm leading the side, so that's a big honor for me.
लगता है उसके माँ बाप का बहुत बड़ा आशीर्वाद है. जो उसका वर्क का जो एक प्रोसेस था ना, वो मैंने किसी यंगस्टर में देखा होगा. उसका एक ट्रेनिंग मेथड बहुत अलग था. जो उसका सेल्फ बिलीव था ना, कल मुझे 100 बनाना है, वो बना के आता था. वो कितने 2 दिन हुए, धीरे से 100. श्रीलंका आती थी, बांग्लादेश आती थी, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, कोई भी टीम नहीं 100. कह रहा आज 100 बनाना है. वो एग्रेशन हमें लगता था कि नहीं, थोड़ा यार ज़्यादा हो गया अंपायर, 100 है कल मेरा. वो पहले ही बोल देता था वो, क्योंकि वो अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में डालता था वो चीज़ कि नहीं, कल मैंने इसको ध्यान से खेलना, भागना बहुत अच्छा है.
One-day international century by an Indian. It's come in 52 balls. Genius on his back, genius with the bat.
We've talked about the class on the Indian side. This guy is at the top of the bunch.
In run chases in the history of the game, there is Virat Kohli, there is daylight, and then there's the rest.
And then I saw myself in the mirror and I was like, you can't look like that if you're an international cricketer. Boom, from next day onwards, I just changed everything about my diet. Hitting the gym 2 hours a day, just taking a day off in a week, eating proper lean food. From then on, it became such an addiction because I saw the results on the field. I felt fitter, I felt lighter, felt more focused, and then I was like, man, this is the path I want to go.
सिर्फ वर्ल्ड की बेस्ट ही नहीं, फिटेस्ट टीम बनने की ठानी थी कोहली ने.
I've never ever seen a guy like Virat Kohli who can do the simple, most boring things every day of your life. Even today, he comes to the gym and see whether he is performing or not performing. It really doesn't matter.
Here go 3 run mark going on, man. So this is your backyard. Yeah. Jump. I smashed enough in my life, no point.
Focus on your team as well while they shine the ball, okay. Not just the opposition.
I think about what I say. I don't regret anything that I've said.
जी वेखण में गया बुरा ना मिलिया कोई ये मैं आपको देखा मुझको बुरा ना कोई.
Virat Kohli, old, brash, aggressive, confident, arrogant, whatever term you want to use, but I think he's probably 10 times faster than Sourav Ganguly. New India. Nobody symbolizes New India like Virat Kohli does.
Too many times you'll hear people speak about arrogance. It isn't arrogance, it's about believing in yourself.
कहते वापस विराट उनको कुछ बोल रहे थे. मिचेल जॉनसन के चेहरे पे ऐसे मुझे पता चला कि शायद वो बैकफुट पे जा रहे हैं.
We need people like Virat Kohli. We need characters.
Elisa, this man is the king of India at the moment, it seems. He's certainly batting like that.
Yeah, he's an absolute freak. I've been fortunate enough that Mitch has been playing at Bangalore over the last few years, and I've been lucky enough to be over there in the last 2 years, and got to know him a little bit and got to chat to him about his cricket. But he's just an absolute superstar of the game. He's almost bigger than the game, especially in India. So it's great to see him out here and great to see him performing so well.
Listen to that noise.
Massive Indian contingent at the MCG getting right around Virat Kohli, and why wouldn't they? Every time he bats in this country, it's just a highlight reel.
Of the modern players, I've always thought that Brian Lara was the best placer of the ball. I think I've got Brian in second spot.
So I think one of the problems with being Virat Kohli is, you say, what did he do in 2016? That was something that nobody will play again.
India as a country, let alone
Kohli comes at him, digs one out. How can you dig it out like that? Confidence of Melbourne cricket ground in one-day cricket.
He's taken a different level. I think we've said, we probably have 5 years, he's probably got a 6th and a 7th as well.
But the IPL season, 973 runs. That's impossible, but he achieved it.
Just because it's a crunch game for us, we need to win 6 out of 7 to have a chance of qualifying.
Straight as an arrow.
Typically,
400 plus decent, 500 plus is a very good IPL. 600 plus had only before that been achieved 8 times. 700 plus, which is a ridiculous season. Hussey had done it once, Gale had done it twice. Then David Warner got 848, but IPL was about Virat Kohli with 973 runs.
Well, I'm going to go for stitches now. Let's see how many I get. I don't know, about 7 or 8. It's a big split.
I remember a match, probably that was against us, against Kings 11 Punjab, wherein he played with stitches in his hand and got 100 in a 15-over match.
Oh, Baldev! Your saviour is here! Beautiful hands, beautiful wrists, beautiful batsman.
This bloke is brilliant, Carly. Look at his face, his determination.
I sense that, now or never.
That could be the game. That is a classic to the crowd. They're chanting Kohli, Kohli. What a beauty we've witnessed.
There is nothing that Virat Kohli can't do.
Virat Kohli, superstar of the game.
I would say Virat Kohli is, is the greatest player on the planet now. Full stop. Any form of the game, Kohli is the greatest player on the planet. Full stop.
श्री विराट कोहली को क्रिकेट में उनकी उपलब्धियों को मान्यता प्रदान करते हुए वर्ष 2018 के लिए राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया जाता है।
विराट कोहली, दौर इनका है, जमाना इनका है, ये दशक इनका है। आईसीसी ने अवार्ड की घोषणा की है इस दशक की और विराट कोहली है स्वेप्ट दीज अवार्ड।
ईयर वाइज और डेकेड को मिला दें तो ये 10वां अवार्ड है उनकी झोली में। उनसे पीछे जो शख्स खड़े हैं उनका नाम है कुमार संगकारा, जिनके पास सिर्फ 4 अवार्ड।
So how many records, how many landmarks did Virat Kohli go past? I don't know. I ran out of them. This generation really is the Kohli generation, isn't it?
मतलब तीनों फॉर्मेट में कोई आसपास भी नहीं।
अब बात विराट कोहली की, जिन्हें विजडन ने दशक के टॉप 5 खिलाड़ी में चुना है।
अरुण जेटली स्टेडियम में एक पेविलियन जो है उसका नाम होगा विराट कोहली पेविलियन।
He is one of the highest paid athletes in the world, one of the most famous athletes in the world, and among the 100 most influential people in the world. We are not talking about LeBron James or Cristiano Ronaldo, but Virat Kohli.
मैंने बोला नहीं यार कुछ और प्लेयर बता, तो बोलते उसके बाद सर किसी औकात ही नहीं। मैंने बोला एक काम कर, जितना तो मेरे को कोहली बेच रहा था ना, उसको डिवाइड बाय 2 कर, इस नंबर पे मेरे को 11 बाकी प्लेयर ला, और मैंने वही डील करी।
ड्रेसिंग उसका इतना खूबसूरत है कि अब वो स्टाइल आइकॉन बना दिया उसको। अब वो अपना ब्रांड चला रहे हैं रॉन्ग के नाम से जो है, तो वो अपना ब्रांड चला रहा है। देन अब ड्रिंक्स आ गए, ठीक है। देन रेस्टोरेंट उन्होंने मुंबई में खोला हुआ है और एक के नाम से प्रॉब्ली।
And even in the now defunct tennis team UAE Royals, captained by Roger Federer.
ओलंपिक में क्रिकेट को आप देखने वाले।
And the catalyst for this move has to be world cricket's biggest ambassador, Virat Kohli.
Virat is the 3rd most followed athlete in the world on social media with 314 million followers. That's more than LeBron James, Tom Brady and Tiger Woods combined.
जी नहीं सर, आप बहुत कम बता रहे हैं। विराट कोहली एक पोस्ट को शेयर करने के 24 करोड़ रुपए लेते हैं।
Your favourite form of the game?
Test cricket, Test cricket, Test cricket, Test cricket, Test cricket. 5 times. Because Test cricket for me is actually it's a representation of life.
So in Sydney they were after me because I wasn't scoring, and today they were pissed because I got 100. So it hasn't changed much. I usually play my cricket like that. I like to give it.
First 100 against South Africa. Look at what it means to Virat Kohli.
So it was going well. 2013 went well, and then 2014, the last test tour we had before going to England was New Zealand. and I got 100 in the last innings of that tour. There were only 2 test matches. I got a 70 and 100, so I was like confident. And we went to England, and I thought, I need to prove myself here. That was wrong in the first place.
सीरीज में 6 बार कोहली सिंगल डिजिट स्कोर पर ही आउट हो गए. He has to look at video replays of his technique and get back to basics. ऐसा कहा Joffrey Boycott ने.
You know, when as a batsman, you know you're going to get out in the morning when you wake up. That was the time I felt like that there's no chance I'm getting runs. That happened because I was too focused on doing well from a personal point of view. A lot of people take good tours as a milestone. For me, that tour of 2014 is always going to be the milestone in my career.
You know, in England 2014, I just didn't know what to do, what to say to anyone, how to speak, how to communicate.
कोहली की कप्तानी की कहानी शुरू हुई थी जब MSD ने ऑस्ट्रेलिया में इन द मिडल ऑफ द टेस्ट सीरीज अपने टेस्ट से रिटायरमेंट घोषित कर दी.
India were ranked number 7 when Kohli took over the captaincy in January 2015.
But if this doesn't go right, you know, maybe I'll lose my place in the test team. Everyone thinks I should not be playing test cricket. So what can I do? I can just work as hard as I can.
One tough performance, 100 in both innings.
So when we went to Australia, I got 400s in 4 test matches.
Unnecessary respect for him, I said I don't need it. I'm out here to play cricket, not to earn anyone's respect.
No need to get involved in that sort of, verbal barrage with him, because instead I think that fires him up even more.
We have to believe that we are, the best side, because even when we came here, if you don't have the belief that you can win the series here, there's no point coming here. We've not come here to participate.
First captain with 6 double hundreds and all have come in the last 17 months.
5 bowlers के साथ खेलने का bold decision, even in overseas conditions. चाहे फिर अपनी बैटिंग पर ही एक्स्ट्रा प्रेशर क्यों ना हो.
I pointed it out to the umpire as well, that it's happened twice that I've seen their players looking upstairs. I would never do something like that on the cricket field. हम belief रखते हैं as a team अपने अंदर कि हम लोग किसी को भी कहीं भी हरा सकते हैं. How many test matches have we won out of 30? How many have we won? How many have we won? 21 wins. 2 losses.
जेम्स एंडरसन के ऑफ स्टंप डिलीवरी ने उन्हें काफी परेशान किया.
Fine, you have the ball in hand, but if you get it wrong, you're getting hit for runs. And I'm going to stand here all day. If you get me out and you bowl a great spell, hats off to you. But the next time I'm going to be here again. So make sure that you bring your A game. I think that too really made me sit down and think about how I need to approach my international career, and do I just want to be a pushover every time I play Test cricket. And what's interesting is from 14 to 18, I had done everything everywhere in the world, performed in every condition everywhere in the world. But people just held on to one thing. Oh, but what about England? Because people are constantly looking for things which are not going right. Because that keeps conversations going, right?
2018 से पहले तकरीबन हमने 2 हफ्ते प्रैक्टिस की थी. इस चैनल में हमने एक रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स बनाया था और कोशिश यही कर रहे थे कि जितनी भी गेंदें वो खेलें, वो उनका हाथ वो बॉक्स के बाहर ना जाए.
I'd say I think Virat Kohli's not going to get 100, and we're going to knock him off over here.
Virat Kohli, wow, what pressure he's under now.
They all started booing when I walked in. So my heart started beating faster.
He played 3 innings in that year in 2018, which for a lot of people, one would have been the highlight of that career. And I picked all 3 of those because they were just simply special.
When we had Pat Cummins or Josh Hazlewood or Mitchell Starc bowling fast and swinging the ball, he just made it look like it wasn't.
He played an on-drive to get off the mark, and great players play on drives. Virat Kohli is the best player I've ever seen in my life.
I remember saying at the time, in all the years I went to Australia, I didn't think I would live to see the day when India won a Test series in Australia.
Even in the commentary team, even in the media, they are watching that and they say, hang on, what's happening? This is a war jungle saying, let's go on the rampage. Let's give them hell for 60 overs. Must go down as one of the great lines in Indian cricket history.
India's golden period in Test cricket came under Kohli.
Greatest Test captain India has ever produced is Virat Kohli. No 2 ways about it.
Well, I think
because I'm a fan of Virat Kohli. I just like his style. I love his competitiveness, and I think he will be the one who would be the most successful.
But in the end, Virat Kohli, like you said, rightly so, aliens do walk among us. He is one of the best ever I've seen him.
Well, he's the best, and he's already reached a status when he's close to a legend state.
विराट कोहली हमारे देश की शान है. विराट कोहली शताब्दियों में एक बार पैदा होता है.
He's record chasing winning games for India with the amount of pressure that he consistently lives under. Smith doesn't even come close.
Virat is on fast track to eclipse just about every batting record that's been.
He's probably as good as Tendulkar.
India is very lucky to have someone like Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli, Tests, Virat Kohli one days, probably Virat Kohli 2020 I reckon.
Here comes another 100, 3 in a row for Virat Kohli. And he's the first Indian batsman to do this, 3 consecutive one-day hundreds.
Most people are saying he was an event. This man has events for breakfast.
Average of 186. Most people are happy to just make 186. Nobody in the history of one-day cricket has scored as many runs in a bilateral series.
1258 दिनों तक जो है विराट कोहली नंबर 1 रैंकिंग पर बने रहे.
He averages above 50 in every single form of the game. Nobody is that good across all 3 forms as Virat Kohli.
When he looked around and said, right, which of you is going to get me out? Nobody put their hand up.
फिर तब से विराट भाई को मैंने उनकी बैटिंग, उनका जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज थी बैटिंग से ज़्यादा उनकी मुझे बॉडी लैंग्वेज बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब fascinate करती.
I grew up watching him play, so he's been an inspiration for me and many youngsters in India or over the world.
Kohli. Virat Kohli.
I love Virat Kohli.
It's fair to say that Virat Kohli is probably the best ODI cricketer at the moment.
Without a shadow of a doubt, Virat Kohli.
ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैसे इंडियन क्रिकेट इज इक्वल्स टू विराट कोहली. एक खास बात जो इनकी वो ये है कि इस समय द वे इज बैटिंग ही इज अ कंप्लीट बैट्समैन अक्रॉस ऑल फॉर्मेट्स. देयर इज नोबडी better than Virat Kohli.
Yes, I think I have the perfect drive.
The standout performance by a country mile, the man of the tournament for his 319 runs, Virat Kohli. For his overall performance throughout the tournament, and an average of 137 with 203 runs. Virat Kohli is a player of the tournament.
Present the Orange Cap Award to Virat Kohli for being the league's highest scorer with 973 runs.
973 runs in 16 innings, average of 88.45 and a strike rate of 152.26.
We reached the finals of 2017 Champions Trophy, semis of World Cup, finals of Test Championship, and I was considered as a failed captain. So
कागारे कागारे मोरी इतनी अरज तो से चुन चुन खाइयो मास रजिया रे खाइयो ना दो ना मोर खाइयो ना दो ना
And for his outstanding performance right through the World Cup, the player of the tournament, for being the most consistent player, Virat Kohli.
मेरा गाल मेरे यहाँ पे थे, कान मेरे थोड़े बड़े हैं और बाल छोटे हुए, तो मेरे सिर्फ कान दिख रहे थे। पहुंचा सुबह बाल कटा के, तो उन्होंने सीधा बोला यार तू तो चीकू द रैबिट लग रहा है। चीकू द रैबिट। तो वहां से वो नाम चलता गया और फिर एक बार अगर धोनी साहब ने स्टंप माइक में बोल दिया तो
He's like a kid the field. It's so funny watching him bounce around.
It's very chill out, like वो जो वही है ना कि जो फील्ड पे दिखता है इज अपोजिट, वेरी काम पर्सन।
ब्रिलियंट सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर जी, लवली गाय, और बहुत मजा आता है ड्रेसिंग रूम में। कभी भी जब क्रिकेट की बात होती है तब क्रिकेट की बात, उसके अलावा आप उनसे मतलब अगर वो बैटिंग में भी जा रहे हैं पहले तो उसको क्रिकेट की बात नहीं करनी है जी, उसको सिर्फ हंसी मजाक की बातें करनी है।
And I felt bad because if I was in a position where something had happened with me and I had apologized, I accepted it and I came back and still I would get booed, I wouldn't like it either.
खुशी हुई विराट कोहली को मिलके, अच्छा लगा। माशाल्लाह क्या
As I said, I don't see myself playing anywhere else. To me, loyalty matters more than other things which, from the worldly point of view, seem more important. I'm a big fan of Rohit Sharma. Actually, I love watching him bat, and he's a brilliant talent.
He deserves all the credit, and according to me, he's at the moment the top ODI player in the world.
इतनी शुद्ध हिंदी बोल रहा है मेरे साथ पहली बार।
From T20 internationals, you top Rohit Sharma. Unbelievable.
From the respect point of view for MS, it's always going to be sky high, especially in my eyes.
He's always been a mentor for all of us. जब मैंने टेस्ट कैप्टनसी छोड़ी तो मुझे सिर्फ एक इंसान का मैसेज आया जिनके साथ मैंने खेला हुआ है पहले, वो MS धोनी। I've always said this and I'll say it again. You will always be my captain. The message reaching out to you was when you are expected to be strong and looked at as a strong individual, people forget to ask you how you were doing. Alien de Villiers. Batting on a different pitch. I've shared so many moments with him, highs and lows, everything. He's been right next to me through thick and thin. I love de Villiers.
You're the best. Say.
No, I'm not.
Nags is the best.
AB de Villiers is the best.
My wife. Can I say this again? My wife.
You see me standing here like this right now because all the things that have been put in perspective has been done by one person who stood by me through all these difficult times. That's Anushka. We're literally like, each other's best friend.
I'm married to the greatest man in the world.
What I am probably experiencing is not even 5% of what, she's gone through.
It's you. You make me happy.
She's taught me a lot of things. तो काफी समझ आ गई है.
How she spoke to me during that whole phase was something that kept me in check. I promise you. If I was left by myself just to figure it out, I would have become a egoistic maniac.
लेकिन अगर बात आए कप्तानी की, राजा बनने की, तो फिर खिंचती है तलवारें, क्योंकि लीडर का मतलब होता है एक सिंहासन, एक सेना का एक ही राजा।
लेटर दैट ईयर रोहित शर्मा को T20 कैप्टन बनाने की डिमांड करी गई, बिकॉज तब तक रोहित शर्मा मुंबई इंडियंस के लिए 5 IPL ट्रॉफीज जीत चुके थे। बट फिर सडनली T20 वर्ल्ड कप से ठीक 2 दिन पहले विराट कोहली ने T20 कैप्टनसी छोड़ने का फैसला लिया।
ये एक सोचा समझा डिसीजन है और मैंने इस डिसीजन के बारे में जय शाह, सौरव गांगुली को बता दिया है और अब मुझे पूरा फोकस करना है ODI और टेस्ट कैप्टनसी के ऊपर।
This is going to be my last leg in the IPL as captain of RCB.
Virat Kohli has been removed as the captain of the Indian ODI side, while Virat will continue to lead India in the longest format.
I had personally requested him not to give up T20 captaincy. A good team does not have too many leaders.
Is basically all 5 selectors think that it should be white ball. There should be one captain. This is what we informed Virat, and he agreed.
ऐसे में BCCI ने उन्हें वनडे की कप्तानी से भी इस्तीफा देने के लिए 48 घंटे का वक्त दिया था। जवाब नहीं मिलने पर उन्हें 39वें घंटे खुद ही फैसला लिया और रोहित शर्मा को T20 के साथ ही वनडे टीम की कप्तानी भी सौंप दी।
इस कंट्रोवर्सी ने दूसरी तरफ आंख पकड़ ली। लोग विराट कोहली की ईगो के बारे में बात करने लगे।
Virat will not be a part of the ODI team.
I was always available. I have not had any communication with the BCCI to say that I want to rest. मुझे ये नहीं कहा गया था कि आप T20 कैप्टनसी ना छोड़िए, बल्कि उसको बहुत अच्छे से रिसीव किया गया कि बहुत एक प्रोग्रेसिव स्टेप है। As I said, I got a call 1.5 hours before the selection meeting, and before ending the call, I was told that the 5 selectors have decided that I will not be the ODI captain, which I replied, okay, fine. There was no communication prior to that at all.
इंडियन फैंस के मन में सिर्फ एक ही सवाल था, क्या कोहली और रोहित एक दूसरे के लीडरशिप के अंदर नहीं खेलना चाहते?
मेरे और रोहित के बीच में मैंने पहले भी ये कितनी बार एड्रेस किया आके कि हमारे बीच में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
Fortunately, is that did this have to be done in such poor grace? A dismantling of India's most successful captain across formats like this?
थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाए, उसको लगता है कि वो बहुत बड़ा योग से भी बड़ा, तो फिर उसको लगता है कि मेरे तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता ना, मेरे बिना तो क्रिकेट बंद हो जाएगा कल इंडिया में। ये बात कहो कि रोहित शर्मा को फेवर करना, एक बात बताओ, विराट कोहली को पसंद नहीं करता। हाँ,
कुछ समय बाद तो हद ही हो गई जब विराट कोहली ने टेस्ट कैप्टनसी भी ड्रॉप कर दी। यस, यू हर्ड इट राइट।
समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि क्रिकेट में पॉलिटिक्स हो रहा है या इतने सारे पॉलिटिक्स के बीच में थोड़ा बहुत क्रिकेट खेला जा रहा है।
यहाँ एक खिलौना है इंसान की हंसती ये बसती।
Actually surprised me was my 60s became failures, which was quite shocking for me. I was like batting pretty well and contributing, but doesn't seem to be good enough.
Oh, the edge is taken. Nothing is going right for the great man. Oh, the fate that befalls the mightiest.
अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या है?
But the one thing they love more than a hero is to see a hero fail, fall, die trying. In spite of everything you've done for them, eventually they will hate you.
भटकती है बदकार बनकर जवां जिस्म सजते हैं बाजार बनकर।
Not even a single century since 2019, and now some experts are running out of patience, like former captain Kapil Dev. Let me tell you what he said. This is Kapil Dev about Virat Kohli. You can't just go by reputation. You have to look for current form. You can be an established player, but that does not mean you will be given chances even if you fail 5 games in a row.
कि अगर आप अश्विन का वर्ल्ड नंबर 2 गेंदबाज अगर टेस्ट मैच में बाहर बिठा सकते हो तो वर्ल्ड का नंबर 1 प्लेयर भी बाहर बैठ सकता है।
विराट और हार्दिक की पार्टनरशिप, वो क्या कर रहे हैं? 2 नहीं लेते, अब हर बार तो 2 होगा नहीं, सिंगलें भी होंगी। मैं सोच रहा हूँ यार ये हो क्या रहा है?
विराट कोहली का खून के आंसू निकल रहे हैं जो हमको दिख नहीं रहे। विराट कोहली के खून के आंसू निकल रहे हैं, रन नहीं निकल रहे उसके।
क्योंकि खेल से बड़ा हो गया था, वो क्रिकेट से बड़ा हो गया था विराट कोहली। 110 की स्ट्राइक रेट वाला बल्लेबाज आखिरकार टीम इंडिया में कैसे खेल सकता है, ये बड़ी बात है। जबकि विराट कोहली को खिलाना खिलाड़ियों के साथ अन्याय है जो अच्छी बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं।
वो अपने करियर के आप दूसरे हिस्से में दाखिल हो गए, यानी अपनी पीक को टच करके आपको मैं ये कहूंगा कि अपनी रिटायरमेंट से हम
टाइम टू पुल द प्लग ऑन कोहलीज T20 इंडिया करियर, और उसमें नीचे लिखा है इवन एन इनफॉर्म कोहली डजंट फिट इंडियाज T20 प्लान।
कि अगर सूर्य नंबर 3 पे बल्लेबाजी करते तो वो बेहतर रहेगा एज कम्पेयर टू की विराट कोहली।
कुछ ज़्यादा ही जीरो मार रहा है, 0 पे 0 मारे जा रहा है। तो अब सट्टा ये नहीं लगता कि आज के मैच में 0 मारेगा, अब सट्टा ये लगता है कि जब वो 0 मारेगा कैमरा बेटी की तरफ जाएगा या माँ की तरफ।
I picked out all the videos of the best times I had, the same initial movement, the same approach towards the ball. It was just what was going on inside my head that I could not explain to anyone.
The fact that I was willing to let go of everything. I was willing to accept that when I go back and play, it might be the last month of me playing competitive cricket, and I'm absolutely okay with it.
I came to the realization that I was kind of trying to fake my intensity a bit recently. No, I can do it. You know, you're competitive, and you're convincing yourself, no, I have the intensity. But your body is telling you to stop. Your mind is telling you to just take a break and step back. 10 साल में पहली बार मैंने 1 महीना बैट नहीं छुआ है।
इम्तिहान है, वक्त है, आजमा ले जितना आजमाना है। एक दौर क्या हराएगा उसे जिसने हराया जमाना है।
And he enters. Man for the big stage, the big occasion. The bigger the game, the more he wants to contribute. He likes a fight, he likes a scrap as well.
Again, it's an opportunity. If 50,000 people in the stadium feel like it cannot be done, I would challenge myself to say it can be done.
No, Virat said I'll take the strike. 28 of 8.
इंडिया के इस पॉइंट पे जीतने के चांसेस were 3.1%.
Look, when I step onto the field, I have to believe that I'm the best. So for me, I just have to be as fearless as I can.
Failures are the most important thing in life because success doesn't teach you as much. It boosts your ego.
Fulfill your desire, ignite the fire, bat through the tough times. Sometimes it's 263, sometimes 49. Life can put you in a pickle, laugh through like it's a pickle. Whether you get 100 or a duck, life goes on, don't get stuck. There is no map, ride the tide. You are.
Oh, he stands his ground, straight down the ground. He lifted it up. That is a shot of an emperor. Kohli lifts up to find them. It carries for 6. The man is a genius. He's not just a king, he's a genius.
This game has gone. Virat Kohli pulled it back. What a champion. What an absolute champion Virat Kohli is.
People keep asking if I'm back, and I haven't really had an answer. But now, yeah, I'm thinking I'm back.
And when I come out of this phase, I know how consistent I can be. I know how motivated I will be once the scores start coming to make sure that, you know, it's one after another.
Virat Kohli is back. He might tell you that he never went away.
Each horizon is a new beginning. Rise and reign. Far from the fjords and the ice-cold currents, ravens soar of a new frontier.
For 3 years there was a drought, and as soon as the drought is broken, we're seeing Virat Kohli back to what he's doing best.
So Kohli is showing now in this reincarnated avatar that he's got the ability to really crank it up and go big with the sixes.
And I remember saying there was a famine and it would be replaced by a feast.
The echoes of eternity. 100 of the highest
Yes, quality. The wait is over. The king getting the way he deserves. Number 47 for Virat Kohli. Pumps this fist into the air.
You know, if 2011 was about Tendulkar, I think 23 should be about Virat Kohli.
साल उम्मीद है कि ढेर सारे शतक लगाएंगे और सबसे ज़्यादा रन बनाते जाएंगे और फिर हम भी चाहेंगे कि उन्हें भी कंधे पे उठाकर पूरे ग्राउंड के चक्कर
Fires are rising and the bells are ringing.